Yeah. I got a message from Meta. Hey, they want to buy my account too. They want to buy my Facebook page. Oh, God, calm down, madam, calm down. You too, they panic. Why are you panicking? Huh? You got this message from Meta, like this one right here in your presence. Now, this is a message that I got from Meta, except it is not from Meta. It is from this fraudster that is calling himself this, right? This. Now, what's the message all about? The message is, look at this, important notice from Facebook, dear Champions Digital, your Instagram account linked to your Facebook will be disabled, not containing content that violates our community standards. If this linked account is disabled, we will also indirectly apply restrictions to your Facebook account. Now, this is something they do, these fraudsters do, that will make you to panic, and then they will drop a link. Look at this link, it is viable. I'm taking my time slowly to move through this because I don't want to mistakenly click this. So look at this link, it is viable. Once I move my cursor away, you see this cursor and you see it now. This link is viable, and if you make mistake and click it, that's how they get into your account and they do you many things. Okay, so but then you look at this message critically. Now these people are smart enough that they put this here, right? They put this here now, and then they send you this kind of message so that you can click on this link and reply to them, and then you give them your details, and then they will hack into your account. But now I'm going to show you exactly how to know the real message that is coming from Meta themselves, okay, not from this kind of people. But first, before I get there, I'll show you other messages like this so that you don't fall victim to this kind of to this kind of people, right? So what I'm trying to make here, the point I'm trying to make is that you are going to get this message if you have not gotten it already on your own pages, right? If your page has an enormous amount of traffic, chances are they are going to send you this kind of messages, right? And once they send you this kind of message, they are waiting for you to click on this link so that they can gain access to your account and log you out and use your account. Now, here is one person that sent me this message. Now, here is another person. Look at this one. Look at this one. This is from Instagram, okay? Look at the logo here. This is on Messenger and this is on Instagram. Look at this one. The same format. Look at this. They bring this and they paste it here, and then they tell themselves that support help and blah blah blah. They write you the same message. This is because the images, languages, and music posted on your Instagram account and Facebook page do not comply with our terms and policies, right? So they post this and they bring this link again for you to click. Once you click on this link, you are gone. So if you do not confirm this, your account will be automatically blocked by our system. Now lie, everything they are telling you here is all lies and all lies and all lies. Okay, these are all lies. So here's another one. Here's another one. It says technician support. So they come in different forms and formats and different ways. Look at this privacy policy. Blah blah blah, you have violated our privacy policy, we are going to block your account, click on this link. They always send their link and they tell you to click on the link that they can be able to change or they can be able to, not knowing that if you click on that link they are going to hack into your account. Okay, so these are fraudsters that are moving around, and I found out that this started exactly in the time that I started running ads, okay, with this account. I started running ads with this account and these messages began to come. Now here is another one, guest AD. Here's another one, guest AD, and this is on Instagram again. Say, dear Champions Digital, important alert from Facebook. Your Facebook account linked to Instagram has been scheduled for permanent deletion. Look at these people. They use words that will make you to panic so that you can act immediately so that they can be able to gain access to your account. Do not fall victim to these people. Now, these are messages they are sending for me on Instagram and on Facebook. And when it seems as if I am not complying to what they want to do, they send me a message directly into my email, into my inbox. Let's get into my inbox and I will show you, right? And I will show you. So here is my inbox. The inbox that is linked to that Champions Digital page, Facebook page. Now, let me show you one of the messages these people sent to me. Now, look at this one. It says Facebook copyright. Okay, Facebook copyright. Now, if I open this message, look at this message. It says, why are you receiving this notice? It says, we have made multiple attempts to notify you regarding potential copyright infringement linked to your Facebook account, but no response has been recorded. Consequently, the rightful owner of the content has formally submitted a complaint to Meta under provisions of Digital Millennium, whatever, concerning the unapproved usage of their intellectual property. Now, it's important to note that, let me state this, at this point, every content I am posting on this particular page are original contents from me. Right? Every content I am posting on the Champions Digital Facebook page and the Champions Digital Instagram account is original content made by me. You will hear my voice. Even if I use a sound, it's going to be sounds that are already on Facebook that I can put into my content so that I can use it specifically for Instagram or for Facebook. Right? So they said I should submit an appeal. Now, this is an email. Since I'm not responding on Facebook and I'm not responding on Instagram, they sent an email to me. Now, how are you going to know that this email is fake? Let me show you exactly how you are going to know. Now, when you navigate to the left, you look at this place. It says Facebook copyright team, right? This is where you look at. Now, you see this. It has no picture here. This is the first thing that we suggest to you that this account is fake. Okay, these are fraudsters. Now, it has no picture here. Okay, so look at this little arrow. If I click on show details, now if I click on show details, it says that this message is coming from Facebook copyright team, right? Now look at the reply email, the reply back email. It says puri whatever 1982 at gmail.com. So it actually has a reply back email. If I want to reply, it actually has a reply back email. These people don't keep person. Eh? Hey, okay, and then they send this email to me. Look at my email here. Look at my picture. Even my email has a picture. Okay, now look at the date, March 22nd, 2025. So look at these things. So it has a reply back email. Okay, if Meta themselves are sending you this kind of email, it will never have a reply back email. Okay, reply to email, it will not have that. Now, this is the message they sent to me, urging me to click on the link, unless they will block my account and whatnot. Now, they sent this message on March 22nd, but this is March 30th, and I still have access to my account after 1 week of them sending this message. Okay, I still have access to my account, and these people are smart enough to use, the Meta, whatever. And then when you look at their address, look at this, look at their address. Meta Platform Incorporation, Attention Community Support, 1 Meta Way, Menlo Park, CA. Is there an address called 1 Meta Way address? I'll leave that to you to verify. Now, let me show you exactly the message that is coming from the real Meta. Okay, this message is coming from Facebook copyright team, right? Look at this, Facebook copyright team. Now, let's go and show you the main message that is coming from Meta. Okay, now look at this. Let me use this as an example. Because I'm running ads and my funds are low, Meta is telling me to add more funds to my account. Now, this is Meta for Business. This is what it's going to show you. Let me open it and show you exactly the things to know so that you will see. So you see the same logo that was there in the other fraudster account is still here. Okay, now look at this. Look at the original Meta. Okay, look at the original Meta. And when you look at their address, you see this. Look at the address. Okay, Menlo Park. Look at the address that they're sending. And then the original Meta has this. It has the unsubscribe button. If I want to unsubscribe from receiving emails like this, I have that option to unsubscribe. Now, let's go over here and click on this. Show details. Now, look at this. Now, if you look at this, it says that the message is coming from Meta for Business. Okay, and then the reply to email says no reply at facebook.email. So this email, even if you reply to this email, nobody is going to reply back to you. Nobody is going to attend to you because the email is coming from a no reply AI generated email content. So this emails has been scheduled to go out, and it has not been scheduled to receive other emails for further things to happen. Okay, so now they are sending this email not just to me but to my name. My name is here, and then the email is here, and then when you see it, it's the same email as the ones the fraudsters are using to send the email to me. So these are the nitty-gritty things you need to know so that you can know the real people that are sending you email. Now, the first thing to note is that it is Meta for Business, right? It is Meta for Business, not Facebook copyright team, not Facebook page, not whatever. And then here's another Meta for Business, okay? Here is another Meta for Business. Now I finally put money into my ads account so that I can be able to continue running the ads I've been running, right? So this is the real message that is coming from them, okay? And look at this. If you look at this, you see the similar things that are here. And then let's click on the show details more. And you see it's the same thing, Meta for Business. No reply at facebook.com. And then they're sending it to me. They first write my name and then they first write my email. Okay, but those other fraudsters that are just using email. Okay, so if you are receiving messages like this in your account, make sure it is coming from the right source. If it's not coming from the right source, just ignore those messages. So I kept these messages up until now so that I can be able to show you the real messages that is coming from Meta and the fake ones that are coming from who God knows who. Okay, so do not fall victim to these fraudsters who are constantly looking for accounts that they're going to hack. They will never get my account, and I understand that after watching this video, you will know that they will never get your account. Okay, don't give them any chance to hack your account. Once you watch this video up to this point, I know that you have known everything you need to know so that these people will never be able to hack your account. Okay, like this video, follow me for more tutorial videos like this, follow me for more exposure videos like this so that you know who is who, what is what, and where to do the right things online. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.